What's up guys, welcome back to Wasatch Moto. As promised, I was going to do a walk around video of the 07 Sequoia that my father-in-law owns. If you remember one of our previous videos, we did this bumper. Tanner welded it up. We kind of all had a hand in assembling it, and then my father-in-law actually paint matched this. It looks really awesome. It's the same blue steel color. So he has a Bohr 9,500 pound winch inside here, the Bohr off-road fair lead. I got the D-rings on it and these sweet LED pod lights that move, also supplied, I believe. So this is the bull bar kit. This is kind of an option you can add. You can fully customize these, which Move really has it dialed in when it comes to making the bumper that you want for your setup. So just to do a little walk around of his Sequoia, this one has a 3-inch spacer lift, and these are Tacoma, I think Tacoma, newer Tacoma wheels, 17s, 265 70 17 General Grabber ATXs. And then he also has the Rocky Road rock rails on his as well, made here in Heber, Utah. And he is waiting on the Gobi roof rack for his, and a rooftop tent, and he's got some other suspension mods and stuff that he's going to be doing. So we'll keep you guys in tune with that, but this thing is awesome, ready to rip up some trails. So we'll definitely keep you posted when we take the Sequoias out and test them out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure and subscribe to the channel for more awesome overlanding content. Cheers.